ICT-CSS review. Number 1. These are the most common ports used by monitors to produce best video qualities except for. The correct answer is letter B, RPS. Number 2. What is the best indicator that you have successfully assembled a computer? The correct answer is letter B. The PC is able to boot up to the BIOS. Number 3. The following are wirings from the power supply connected to the motherboard except for. The correct answer is letter B. It is 4-pin power connector, not 2. Number 4. When wearing the anti-static wrist wrap, where should the other end, aside from the wrist, should you clip the wrap onto? The correct answer is letter A. You put it on the unpainted part of the case. Number 5. After removing the central processing unit, add thermal paste on the pins before putting it back to the CPU socket. The correct answer is false. Do not put anything on the CPU's pins. Number 6. Before assembling the computer components, you should clean the components with a brush and add an amount of thermal paste to the heatsink and the processor. The correct answer is true. This is where you put the thermal paste correctly. Number 7. After disassembling a computer, what do you usually do before reassembling the components again? The correct answer is letter A. You have to take note of the specifications. Number 8. When these are being installed in their slots, you should push these down properly to align it to the slots until you hear a click when the tabs lock. The correct answer is the random access memory. Number 9. These are the most necessary peripherals you should connect to your system unit to be able to run the computer easily. The correct answer is the keyboard, mouse and monitor. Last question, number 10. Ideally, what is the last component that you take out in the disassembly process? The correct answer is letter A, the CPU. Thanks for watching.